Today's May 17th, 2022, and we're going camping at Ann's dad's for our maiden voyage here Saturday, so a few days away. Trying to get the last few finishing touches on this thing. This is our old fridge. It works okay. It runs off of evaporative cooling, so it was really a function of, how much air can you push past those fins over there. So what I did is I installed a fan, a high-speed fan, 80 cubic feet per minute, and wired it up to this guy here. So it makes a lot of noise, and it draws about just over 1 amp. So it's kind of a hog, energy hog, but look at this. Let's see. So look at the air coming out the top, man. This thing should cool off so fast. Oh yeah, it's a good breeze. Look at that. It's like a jet line coming out of there.